So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find all the easy problems on LeetCode, because if you are a beginner, it's very difficult for you to solve a medium level or a hard level problem. So all you need to do is to just simply go to this section of problem. This is the basic home page of LeetCode. You need to go over there, and once you go to the problem section, here you can see the list of all the problems. Now to see all the easy problems, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option which is sorted by custom. Once you click on this, you can see this option of difficulty. When you click on here, you can see it is now being sorted according to the difficulty. And if I again press on this, it becomes the hardest problem on the top and then the easy problems. So just simply click on this option once and you can see all the easy problems of LeetCode has been listed in front of you. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.